Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, I'd like to thank all my viewers, subscribers and people who commented to my video. This means a lot to me and I feel so encouraged. And today my video is on food. A food recipe named green gram sprout salad. You also call this Mung dal salad. Mung dal. In India we call Mung dal. Okay. Before starting the recipe, I would like to share some nutrition values of this one. This is a high protein, high fiber, and we have carbs also in this, and mineral values also. This is an everyday breakfast or dinner. You can have it either like a breakfast or like a dinner. And let's move on to the recipe. I'll show you the required ingredients. 1 cup of sprouted moong dal or green gram, 1 tablespoon of tomatoes, 1 spoon of onions, 1 spoon of green chilies and 1 spoon of cucumbers, and 1 whole lemon juice and 2 spoons of peanuts. Let's mix all the ingredients. First, I'll take the cup of moong dal. Next, I'll add some tomatoes, some cucumbers, 1 green chili and 1 spoon of onions. Then 2 spoons of peanuts. This peanuts adds really an extra taste to this recipe, and 1 whole lime juice. Adding salt is purely optional. I have this lemon, so I don't think adding salt is required. Mix up all the ingredients. Yes, the salad is ready. You can also add chaat masala if you like to. Try to eat raw food every day for 1 meal at least. It's really healthy. And thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.